Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Omworigereria w'Ensoko TV nobotukubonde ubuyakegima tukumirana asembeo asiri tukerigari 13 mutienyi ugatano na gatatu mwaka w'echelefu ibere merongevere na gatano na rimo nukuyena kwane una kwagendero bya asiri tukorigima andonsi asekwarenge nabwegasuri ringase sabari bono gwaikire bya 9 nogendera tukubwati emirobire yonsi y'Ensoko kuro chinsa 12 cheke mambi gwekera boni gana ende cheragire isato chiaboro botuko cha Afrika ya mocha engakio kanyorama ya asenchera yobwekerano buna basaki baitu bayariganirie erikwenekia buna nayenkwe manyora mange ayagenderete ayaetira na bwego ayara chekobwatia tusange asobwamo wetera asenchera yomutanda bwekerero asensemo ya YouTube Ensoko TV boigo nambe mu wasiliano kunya gwetera nsabo igo chaka gotuma ujumbe yago enyenge kitongandira tukanyora ase enchera yobwekerano ine narali ali kwarigandirete ase ubotuko bwabona narayega akobwatia
Nalero mwana ona nabaitire gakazibire roje tingori yaitire
ntonto kumunagera kina nyasaye bwe katika munagera kina ise ko bangana abantu bakora bari bakora igana baro nyasaye tako baho murembe
omubere bwo musaye gotoka kurutira mache mekenyero kya bunde ward ya township county ya Nyamira
we can check na to babake mechi na check na mako bakana school fees ko tebeke ne kinyasaye tubora nyeke ne mburango somia bana aba okoba na inu mwando jeta mabere bakanga chikura na nchenga jeta abana baino egena barabuka bacha ko bomuntu tari boigo
aboroki wachimia isano bago chigoswa chi university kurwe ward ya Masige West gosirwa sekero ya manyolire chiribu isato
ndobwate cooperative yeye etwaye chagete ase ebirengererie biya bono ya rorekanirenga nturanyora chinguru chingiya chechibesa chiko chaka ekagera twarobiri omochango
ababwate nibekiombe kya matatu wakaza association ya county ya Kisii baruro kubori gosirwa eri kwegendereria.
Karibu tuyanyora senchira yobwekerano eriane Ishmael Mogere na bwega sense muyende ya kabire oyogo konya bari batabati kubwa gukwigweriaye Salome Kerubo asomo chakarobo tukwa bono bunenchira yemo yogosira borokiwa bagoswe university au kurwa se ward ya Masige West me county ya Kisii nigo ritikulia lero mo MC bwe ward eyo Jacob Barongo Bagaka inse kiombegia Jacob Bagaka Foundation ayananire milioni ya machinu gutaisano guchiase aborokiwa chimia isano abwase kero yomo anyora chiribu isato ko bakonya goswa university ase chio bisi chi ward eyo imensemo ya yomosoria abaraya abo bakoragwa no mokonyi bo mugavara bwe county ya Kisii Elijah Obebo na boigo abagwazere nigo aborokiwa bagokere murubiri uyo na koria eira yoguchegokora umukia buru museketi Petwel Machiri agotumanya asobwagare
bunenchiremo yogosira aborokiwa babaswa university aho kurwase ward ya Masige West bunge yabo basi county ya Kisii nigo mwamse bwe ward yo moske Jacob Bagaka inse kiombe kya Jacob Bagaka Foundation Itskurerero ayananira aborokiwa chimia isano chiribu isato kero yo echo chisa ine milioni ya machinu gutaisano edio bachiko Swasi University
$1,500,000 chinko bya bangira moro
ko tebeke ne kinyasaye tubora nyeke ne mburango somia bana aba okoba na inu mwando jeta mabere bakanga chikura na nchenga jeta abana baino egena barabuka bacha ko bomuntu tari boigo bono tiganda bolso lelimo omwaka ogoja tariki 10 omotinyo 8 2027 Muramu amondus ningendera ko basoma umate kineke ne toko tebani we are human beings gekora mo ko ndus chikura Nairobi ko karaki oso Nairobi na rutenga mago jaga omongino na Nairobi yakorteki abana no bakari Nairobi mugacha mukange gas mugante biatara biya nengokora ndabitigake nchichembe na inwe gwetro ko bana inu nkanyole mechando mubwate nkanyimanya yonse ngachaka ku understanding omwana naro utanyari gwaka no singi 200 atumiri no moiboli
igati ya borokiwa bo nigo bamwakere mbe Moske Bagaka soko basiro koiga
nataka kuambia ninyi kama wanafunzi tufika pale tuchie bidii tujie kenye tupeleka pale kwa Honorable Jacob Bagaka nataka kusema asante
Kuringana na bagaka nigaira bya bogosomia bana aba erio baikonya motukare bosio
gentonkerie kia munakero mwana oyo twakonyere rero akogende school ritukulia graduation muna bona graduation yakoro koro mwako oyo batu akonyenta batangani omwana agotomera nte nabona abeto manya lakini I am graduating today nayo mutangani konga chiri buisa tukachibwata koboko lero nabekire gown think I didn't let you down gentonkerie kia munanko muna bagaka ekerengo rabana bacha gukore school bagenda ba graduate umuntu agotengo mweshimwa mbya mwana nkwa nkonyete ekena nkogende school balenga bagosabera abana bakire bakwende school nyasaba senie balente babegesa kwekiya bacha gokonya bekonye na bakonya abayibuli babo tariboigo
Mokonyi b'umugabana we county ya Kisii Moskia Laijobebo ujuboigo bakirori nigabori aboriki wabo kubeko mokia sama somabo.
Kwa hivyo watoto wangu mko pale ambao leo hii mnapata msaada wa hela. Mogo konyo kuitera Jacob Bagaka Foundation. This is a great man. Tairaisi. Someone to bring for you 1.5 million shillings. Ni bahati kubwa. Bahati ya bana I want to tell you my sons and daughters tonight. Hii ni bahati ambayo unatakiwa kuweka kwenye roho yako sasa na hata milele. Erebu yako sere bobe.
Baiga kati aba waziri abubaikira na somurobiriyo nigo baigo batugire gitambukirege kia Jacob Bagaka na kubagania aboriki wabe komo kia sama somabo.
So this is a good initiative. At least when they will be joining, they will be having someone to hold their hand. But most importantly, if you do not come from a rich family, let that rich family come out of you.
Asoyo minto Bagaka. Mbiyamona se a program yao. Yokorenda bana baito bakogenda a university.
Ono igaiga twata kwenda na jibasari. Na ende na bere biasa no mogoko nga musike Bagaka kware baka bana be university jibasari. Abasacha muri maiga monya gutwera abana be university na abana be school abasubati amate batige bakorekere keke
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV kuraiga Masige West Nchepethuel Machin
Tuel machini asukwarigania oroboti oru nigorero botenene libwe kiama kia Jubilee kurase county ya Nyamira napo we ward ya Bosamaro ensemu ya bunge ya West Mugrango baigera obisi ya Jubilee ya ward eyo eriko segetaba menye bairi kibuna babwata libwe kiama kia Jubilee bakwana kerekyo nigo bamochire obraibwe county ya Nyamira asugutaikirania amagendero ao ekeroboigo bagenderere kumuhakira ekoko Daktari Freddy Matiang'i bosibo bochorio bonene bo mwaka gwechile fibere Ngebere gatano na kabere Steven Nyarike Mbonde na roboti uraso bwime
Nasomoyega bokwegora chia BC chia Chubiri hase wodi ya Bosamaro bunge ya West Mugrango imeya Nyamira asaba bwatani ao basabiro mu gusinga nerebuya mentu mubaro bokweriki muno bwatani bwe chama ya Jubilee heriyo kwa Dr. Freddy Okengo Matiang'i Chinguru bosibo bochoru mwaka 2027 Ridia Saboke no morikyo monebwe chama ya Jubilee Nyamira na boigo Kareb Ruro moriki boigo ase wodi ya Bosamaro
epati yete ya Jubilee nebwe ntabantu Jesus nebwe takiro korwe na so tati uyo mindu Matiang'i Dr. Matiang'i nyole enough support iri saine kuruka so na bonta takota leadership yeito na secretary kuru Bosamaro leadership kuru county leadership kuru constituency leadership kuru ward tugata na twins tunya tokore just abantu erinde banya ba members kenya wako bene
inche ngoro kwa omweshimiwa Lydia Mora Saboke Goro igongoro wali bonegere kitutu masaba na seitogere North Mugrango igondo moliki omonene bwikiama ya Jubilee na mimi ninawashukuru sana watu wa Bosamaro mkiongozwa na kiongozi wetu ambaye is our only member of county assembly from the party of Jubilee
ekerekyo nigo siasa che county cha Betanse asoyo kuriekero kyo bogabana se county ya Nyamira di ukyombagi amochia Nyaribo
Nasema ati tunatuingia kwenye gera.
sharanzinze mwake sabuni ngoro mutoria ema sinyeri iye kutere kuingerara lose ibo bamba balinga na tubile ko ya ya ne to didonzebe aro yango yigera era lese aidaka ko dawa
asengwana yokwebanga bosi bw'ekikura kya 2027.
Unajua anasema ati anaibia kura hao wengine akina Nyambati, akina Tembo Mani, akina Timothy Bosire, ati anawajua. Mimi nataka kumwambia kura zangu huwezi guza. Sema ngo. Mimi nitakutuma nyumbani. Orina jumbi. Mwisho iko Nyerigo. You must respect the young people of this county and give them an opportunity to transform.
Asense moyo kwanera magendero.
Nyerigo! Wanga! Nyerigo! Wanga! Kwa iwao ndabanga agabo Samaro. Abenge tinya kitari tiwata mandiongo. Samaro tiwara chine iwe. Samaro
Perus Ondogo nomoswati okoriye kirokyo botene bwa baswati ase kaunti ya Nyamira.
Kwa Kisii tumesema, lakini Kenya mzima imeitika na imesoma inataka kuchagua Fred Okello Matiang'i. Na Matiang'i ako na ujasiri na ako na wisdom. Ni hivyo ama si hivyo? Wao wasendali wao. Wana rene kirokyo kia Nyamira na kichwa
Steven Nyarikemude Soko TV Wasamaro Nyachogochogo kaunti ya Nyamira.
Arene kaunti ya Nyamira nigo yabo mugoko monene asa abaibori baborokyo be grade ge 10 miye ward ya Sameta ensemu ye bunge yabo bausi kaunti ya Kisii magega yo gwikira nasi chobisi che ward yeyo na kuichicheki chechi basari teshilingi chirubisano bakora n'Ensoko TV nigo bayirani ya mono umugabana arati naboigo umwe yobo Sonyondari asogosirukwo na koria eira uche kubasira asintunda ya kabere boigo umwe Sonye oyo bakirori bo bwenani obwo igagokere kubwatirana kwa MCA no mugavana iri kwenekia amagendero ao Petuel Machine na roboti urwasobwagari
Chingaki chicheki chechi basari chabana begrade ge 10 chigantsukwananwa ime county ya Kisii nigo litsukurero amenyebe ward ya Sameta mokwerre gotoka mebunge ya babasi county ya Kisii baba numugoko monene maiga yokonyora chicheki cho Wosanga n'Ensoko TV chinga kicho nigo banyako bakogokera omugavana bwe county ya Kisii kubwatira no MCA bwe gode yomoske Sonyondari asoko basiroko kone kinga bana babongo gendere barasa masomo
na gosoma Sameta migisi komenta nai na kire gabana mbiya mono njebuna enjoy yo mabano muburaka gabana tigato nyerubuna ento aburaka atomente kendo geke nande atosomiri abana singinjurende nere toroche Chino Moleminde na wakigusana soko support ase ebashari na tabira asante ase gavana na MCA lende Nyamukenya mna abanyamukenya tole ase bese na nyoli mne basari ndo chana yansukiri ase fees eko garantivika nale konyara
enguji wakare gavana ito simbarati mbuyamba sana ase woti ito Sameta mukwerobero otoati basari chirubusano ego toko mwanga round yende kala anyo chiko nyale kana atomente na enda ende atomente cha none chitantro chotobe kere byasane se chichiro
Chinga kyo chibuigo niko bona banyako bako kerege tambukire gyo kwene kinga bona bana babo tibali go chigutika raisi kwa sama soma bo
omwana one yago soma Sameta school jina kire mnambia mono asoko nyaro wito no konguna potaponde akyo nsukumira sa konyara yatumire nambia mono
na akire buya sengenjo yo konga ngake pasa ke nanyo de chibesa chiribusano ke kwende nere ke yiga na motebiri na ande bono no tornere tutam
asensema ye omu MCA bwe wodi yomoske Sonyondari nigaba kirolia sobwena bwechi basari echo asanya kabaga kwera nigo bakubwaterana ne serikali eri kwenekia yonsi
nabo nkwiraniria county government ya itumbi mono sana asoko bwatera no kuya
ekoererania n'abaheshimiwa ba MCA ase ogokora egasi na kubwatera nase oko make sure buna education yaitu ya Gusii nkoge abana baitu ngosoma bali bagenderere busyo. Ase for your information, Kisii County nere county yoka egenderete kuru bursaries asa abana bali bagenderete gosoma kubwa mono rero twa inkurwa chibursaries kya grade 10 county endete yo in Kenya ngima ya rule chibursary kya grade 10 igoti tuira ni His Excellency Mbarati mbia mono sana asumuki agendete gukora ko make sure buna abana baitu ngosoma bali
nigo bono egati amenya bono banyako bakorire uchikwene kingango basira bara sentunda ya kabera bisire kogendera na magendera ao
tutamu nande nonye no mugambi to sonye twamwakire mbia mono tiganya sa museni nande tutamu
komora itikara agendere iga na intu tomorengeri uchubusio okonyira abantu abange oyo tararoye kirakorire akinere gotara rakindi
yamano sana muga gabana eto tamu tuto ta getuira ne mara kabere ndo enda tokola no nyagitari chetu kwa tumentire mario ga ale firi
kuripotiria Nsoko TV kura Sameto Mukwerera mebunge abasi county ya Kisii Chepethwel Machin
yo abamenyi bekenyoro kya bundo egotoka ward ya township imeyo muche Nyamira nigo baboka emambye yugo kira rero na konyoro mubere umusae oyomo ukurukwa Clinton onsomu we miaka 19 korutira macheme nabo igo gusibiranigwa na amaboko nengori yekenyorini korengana nebimonyo kurwase amate ensemeyo nyagusira orabereka gukwanero osorabereka gukagura koba umwetania ase kenyoro kyanyamukenye mabancho egento gikagire buna no musaria nyagusira nabwatwa bwangoiga nabanyanyimbo na gwikigwa eseri abwase nainde aigulerwa gwikwa gwitwa kwa erero iga
Sirabo ke bambi mongino ndocha tele ntake tonzo muagende gasi namonte ya tonzo muachita matanga ngesa ineiga na matanga chite tarakora ki taracha karachita matanga igagocha bon mambi ocha onte ya magoro bana igweto monto gakora ga ngesa ine para ruguraria ago itupara bakabune mitaga nyagoteba ya moko ngitaboza gakinje na matanga nkuru ngimoko mboli gakina matanga nkuru Jebona mabona na tokire ko che para iga na nyoro mongino ndokoro kwerana amanya gontebi ano kirete ga onsamuni ga iteire ko chibundo mate ni ga kole irororo na nyorero mwana ona na baitire ga kyazibire roje chingori aitire dali korukara kiri bora tara ko dali gento kyamboto na juzi gamba bote juzi nembolnere yazira rogora bagatera rero irete bakairuko chi polisi akiba to kana tali bora bairete akasiboru na kasali yaro kire tana usali to kyabuto omongino minto chigotori cha ukari kutamagocha na ki ba minto mwana na nyorire muina ukari konte ngomunta itire rocha iga ena tamire na mubodi no mumaete yaya na inje ngari gocha ngoika kaki abana baito mora moroche kere ntoko bekera mwana uyu mugaso ntoko manya nyasa umanyete ntoko munachera kina nyasa ebwe katika munachera kina keise ko bangana abantu bakora bari bakora igana baro nyasa etako ba omorembe yaikera abana b'abantu bago itubuna chingiti mogo tiga nyasa ebwe ka banachera kina na kinate na ntoko nachera bana kina ntoko nachera mwana uyu okuro sibire rocha abune mbori buna gosa akora bo bentu ntoko manya lakini nyasa ore igorere na manyete
Nse moyende erigwikirania kirenga kia maroro hinsi ya Kenya gwetani umwaka gwichel fivera meronge 3 enkwana ya chagete habwigoro Jumatano gwika oborendi bubwatani we ase sabari eyo korengana no murai wense William Ruto ase nkwana ya engaki yogwetiwa kwewaride ntangani umwaka gwichel fivera meronge 5 ensemo ya KDF Recruits Training School omuchweldareta county wa Sinigisho murai wense nigairere buna oborendi na magendero tari ase keminano korende oborendi nigo bogosira amagendero erikwene kebunense ngosukere bosio.
These cohorts arrived here as civilians from various walks of life in this republic. They live here today as soldiers, sailors and airmen, forged in discipline, tempered by hardship, and bound together by a sacred oath.
Yesterday, Kenyans began a national conversation about the country we intend to build beyond Vision 2030. Not the next budget, not the next election, not even the next administration, but the Kenya we want to become across the decades ahead, a prosperous, self-reliant, and capable of guaranteeing every citizen a life of dignity. That conversation must include security. What must Kenya protect if the future we seek to build is to be possible? What must be built today to secure the nation we intend to become in 20, 30, or 50 years from now? Security and development are not competing priorities. They are the same foundation viewed from two different directions. Security enables development. Development strengthens security. The Constitution is clear on your mandate. Defend our sovereignty and territorial integrity. Support other authorities in emergencies and disasters. And with the approval of the National Assembly, restore peace where instability threatens the nation. Every one of these responsibilities is exercised under the Constitution and within the law.
Ababunge baraba bwatani kiama kia DCP nigo bairire chingaki gukwanira igoro yobokoreri no buraiwe serikali ya Kenya Kwanza asigika kiemyaka ene bono ukwana kurwachio bisi kiama kia DCP mucho Nairobi nigo baireire na kurwa amaborio abwatikane no bokoreri we serikali ekorawa nere Dr. William Samuel Ruto asebatebere etaraikirania obokoreri oborunge kurwa chisemi obochenu uchumi yense na yandamange ayibatebere serikali nigego korama mincha asenkwana yomuriki we kiama kia DCP mo Senator John Medu.
Why can't you prepare a comprehensive rebuttal to the people of Kenya on the 4 years accountability statement presented by His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua? Don't tell us about His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. Tell Kenyans about William Ruto's 4-year presidency. To the government mandarins, which substantive claims in the 40-page address are false? Provide evidence. Let us remind you the questions that the people of Kenya are asking. On the cost of living, are ordinary Kenyans better off today than they were in September 2022? Show us the figures on household disposable income and purchasing power. On taxation, has the tax burden on the Kenyan households and businesses increased or decreased since 2022? On public debt, how much debt did William Ruto inherit? How much has his government borrowed? And what is the public debt today? On jobs and businesses, how many sustainable jobs have actually been created? What is happening to businesses that are closing or struggling? On education, why are universities, schools, students, and parents struggling with funding if the economy is doing so well? The biggest question, if William Ruto deserves another term, what precisely is the measurable improvement in the life of an ordinary Kenyan after his 4-year presidency? Secondly, we have had one of them hope from one media house to another, from a press conference to another, saying that His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua was in government. Yes, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua was right inside government. Precisely. That does not invalidate what he's saying. It makes the matters he is raising more deserving of your answers. If a former deputy president, having served inside an administration, tells the people of Kenya that certain things have happened, were happening, or are happening, the question is not whether he was there. The question is what he is saying true or false?
Magiga yomurai wensi William Ruto guchakia enkwana igoro ya maroro yense ya Kenya wetani umwaka bw'echili fwibera 30 ababwatani b'ekiama kia The People's Renaissance Movement PM bakoragwa n'umurai w'ekiama ekyo Caleb Amisi nigo baberemwe mincha n'umurubiri uyo ase batebire na kongu asense ya Kenya kubwikana ense ya Singapore korengani wanaria agenderete koenekigwa imeyense.
Very few Kenyans can travel. I have been to Singapore 5 times. I know what the story behind the Singapore development. I have read and studied Singapore development model. There were no corruption was the first thing. Education system was the second. Manufacturing and the value addition was the third. And the bureaucratic institutions and also locating your country geostrategically to tap into the global flow of income. That's why there is banking industry, there is insurance industry headquartered in Singapore. Which insurance industry is headquartered here in Kenya? Which banking, international banking, is headquartered here? We must put up systems that will ensure we travel the path of Singapore. I want Kenyans to refuse to believe that Kenya will achieve the milestone of Singapore under the conmanship of William Ruto. They must refuse to believe. Singapore has traveled a path that had even ministers were jailed. Show me one minister in Ruto's government who has been jailed before you talk about Singapore. You say Singapore, you show us you jailed Aden Duale. You say Singapore, you show us you jailed so and so. Every person, any minister, even if he's your friend, is your ministers. Ministers were not allowed to even meet investors abroad. We see our ministers crossing all over and meeting investors. Very soon, you will hear another state department in charge of Vision 2060. A total mess to the infrastructure, to the funding infrastructure of our country. We are going to have money being channeled to 2060. They will create a department, they will make it a PS. Very soon, somebody is going to get a job out of this nonsense. We are taking Kenyans for a ride. And this party is going to drive the change that this generation. You can lie to some people all the time. You can even lie to some people sometime. But you can never lie to all the people all the time.
Chinga kyobo sagani nechibura buru chiabere chikoenekiwa imeyense asama tukabwangoiga nigo mubunge wense moye bunge ya West Mugrango Stephen Mogaka aganirie ewizara y'oburendi bwa imeyense kwerera igoro y'omurubirio ebwate erikoenekya buna ebikoro ebyongokyana bire imeyense nobotwere ruko bao bunenchira eyemo yokorende nibo kurwa ase ogosarwa na boigo obogima botasira.
These recurring incidents, Mr. Speaker, have denied bereaved families the opportunity to mourn in dignity. It has exposed mourners to fear and possible physical harm, and it has undermined the very constitutional rights to security, peaceful assembly, and freedom of association that are fundamental rights under our 2010 Constitution. Honorable Speaker, it is against this background that I request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Administration and Internal Security on the following. Number one, the measures being taken by our government to curb the rising incidents of political violence and insecurity, particularly the disruption of funeral ceremonies and other lawful public gatherings across the country. Number two, the status of investigations into the recent incidents in Nyamira County, one of which I personally noted as an OB, particularly the disruption of funeral gatherings in Bomachoge, Burabu, and my West Mugrango constituency. Thirdly, Mr. Speaker, what steps are being taken to put in place to strengthen police presence and ensure adequate security during funeral ceremonies, political meetings, and other lawful public gatherings in order to safeguard public safety and protect constitutional rights? Mr. Speaker, I hope as an Adventist, during these camp meetings ongoing, these goons do not extend their tentacles there, and it is on that note, Mr. Speaker.
Sense mwende egikaro kia bunge la mwananchi niko gyakorekana emogoroba ya rero ase nyumba yemeyega ya Keumbu Social Hall. Eganga yabari abaikirana asige karekyo nukorotota amagenderero ase omuchio Keumbu na Nyaribari chache. Bakwana asige karekyo ni gobarwa amagani abo ayuba buri mu governor we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati wekirania ase chiro ya Keumbu ase boigoba mubolire omubunge wensemu ye bunge ya Nyaribari chache Zairi Janda gukora emirobiri y'amagendero eyo achagetie ase chinsemecho uno musekeito Enoch agotumanya sobwime.
Ega ikaro gya bunge la mwananchi niko gyakorekana imarogoba ya rero ase nyumba yemeyega ya Keumbu Social Hall.
Munateka rasta bunge la mwananchi iko divided chi section Jones. Yore tutam, yore wanda, yore legeti, yore poria.
Eganga yabali waikirana ase gikarekyo nokoroto twamagenderero ase omuchio Keumbu na Nyaribari chache.
Ndagitari nere no achieto igoro endanyola tenga medical complete yaga kintu about 2 years ago lakini yagotire mpaka details kiale mukire ase ngijo etana kuigurwa nere kigatiga gukora akinyusia
tokorigire skure ya mama sagoiga erande maiga kabisa amagendero ye birasi ya yende maiga ya be next chari echingoro kitagwate government. Governmentally, I want to request you munyare kurigere gentekyo erinda abana baito banyara basoma banyore good education in future.
Parnere kurulita twakore public participation mwakore ba kyamakigwa mwate bachibesanchiro e contractor ya be kirororo twagananga e parenge tukwete tas diriri twate nando to mugato irororo mugatabe parangoro sigwe onye chibesa chisogete to gochote otadebia bananchi ngaki e pare ya berega ora gochakera ora nyore pare diri kuchikore ngo ini sai to toke ndoro tole mana makombe kiagara mtuta gete para
bako kwana asigi karekyo nigo barua magani ao ayibabo oli omugabana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati goikerania
egwachaga ya kutupoga twali machipara chipara njiri na bigeta sempeo para nerege go trumpu kaga chiko soka timani chipara njiri mande ga chiko soa ere mo ya itoro ditaro rochema chipare chumuka chikunese ngi na bigeta mangana ayega ikara mwa chikunete muka chitikira nchira muka otworki ngang koraki ngumbe kamora mara nonyo ke chipare chise chikole mwa somo tuko wese kuli gidi pari weste ile mire yoka abantu baminto digo to ngaina oyo minto Paul Simba bwarati njeko kuboliga nteto kubolie kene kya mangana onyo ko kwara banyali balite osaba mpeto akisi county gas chipare chinga nkyuta ko bekero morom
Simbarati ogwajete Keumbu waiga wademina Keumbu nyonjorere echiro ebengia wadeba ngira bari Keumbu enyasi muino waiga barusio ro beka saga ya bone lioro sigari chiko town chinde chia Keumbu eka ni tu mari Keumbu ari abangina baitu bakondere kali aba ku speed ndo bwate bamambara tore para ati no ku mapato ya noinka
asande mle county ite erense manya libali ekoro kunyamira county chipara nchenkorora chikolema ile bakorere pale ntangani omoro moro kumagobe nyali yonga yakara kubosia ro chikasa cho moro akare kobe ko moro Simba
this time ila numine tikia msenya just counter assembly bara diseko wana mtu bicha ndifo na kundi naki chipiri chitu wika bunge njane kweta akarenga kiyongwa ya kabira yongwa kunyumba kwa abare mafu ngiye ka ro abare mafu bachorera kia represent winya lakini abare mafu agenda tuja
echiro yetu ya Keumbu tianya korosiwa gotiga kapulse cyane bando bili abangina bako ndia matoke gali no mushimi weito mare senior nyachana to tabanyachana byamo no mwaka swaka
Moisuri waito Zimbara, before Atena Chipura. He got a little thing about the key, Kurwale, Jimmy, Dioni, was in Nirenka, if Abala was always said, Agata change, Agatorete Ramaburi. Amaburi, Agoti.
Boigoni go bamuboria omochumbo nyali bali chache sairi chanda gukora emeroberio ya magendero ya targeti ase enseme yo. Korwa ase ensemo ya Keumbu imeyanyali bali chache county ya Kisii Goika Broadcasting House and Soko TV Nairobi ninche Enoch Gichana Musinto Onyambane.
Ensemo yende egati abamenye kuri ward ya Nyansiongo ensemo yebunge ya Baragwe county ya Nyamira niko basokirira gusanga ibirengero byabo igoro yo muroberio Vision yo mwaka w'echelefu 2030 nabo igo mwaka w'echelefu 2050 nomo amo na magendere serikali yakolire kurwa yasoete obisi buneko bwati
serikali yeito ya Kenya nene niagendere to kolegas kulinde ndo cha mangana ya Vision 2060 igakarare nduranyora majibu ya Vision 2030 tumaya kwa 2060 na kyo mondora kwa 2060 onye 2030 yoga terekerana ikiagera abantu bamenyete ne mejande mebe unabona gisukuru jigo jiko rutoroje ngane mechango yoke kona gusabuna bayiboli iye kworokinga abantu mbabwati besa asiase moyo boli mugwito bwa migwito bwecha tokanyete buyanga ntonyole pona asiumwa koyo gose osento konyora ikiagera abalimi bechae basemere timone chae ande mono ekere banyorere bonus nere kubakonya gwakane fees igo abantu baito be town ito ya Nyansiongo tikatobe no bolemererio bonene ikiagera ntubwati magenderero lakini 2027 tokorobo jolio buya nande tochoro murai oyo bwate birenge libyo gusukie gwori ya Nyansiongo talio yo gosera ogosera gogocha kwaera lakini twatiga tochandegete igo abantu baito be gwori ya Nyansiongo bwata chikura sobonge tikatubwate chikura sobonge tosuke moto komenta na yonsi abagusiba mitase mweta mama etekero gekerne gyo president yo musikemati yaginkoligiale nande enambe nene yabagusi igeta kire tomente chikura chito kurwa emilioni ya moto na ene milioni 3 na intyo kare bakurangeria abantu emesa buna mwe gocha gwa batewanga igogocha gokobolingi kwa bekire mesa yatoka ngachikure chisa ine ntwa bagusi na abantu abangaine kare mokoligere limatiangia etwigasia serikali ga korete buya oyo minto male munyachaye ga korete buya baka muya gacha komwegasi na abande bagocha kurumaega bakorere chigasi
Biamaro mwanchomo rigereria ase ogochora Soko TV boroso mugusi na boyo kubwatia maya senchira yobwekerano ye chinsa isato chia bono botko na gwikiraga bono twikira omwerio ase elia lero nandi gwika area nkyo gendera kubwatia mirobirende yatikire aso botko bugima gwika ankyo na ende guchakire 12 cheke mambia ngakiura chikomirana amonera Innocent Onyango aso mwebiri gwensoko bwakire Eriane Ishmael Mogere asense muyende ya kabere oyobweneki una oyobweneki na mariogia ne chibichango gochirara asenchira erendonge ngamo na Barnabas Ondari Felista Kaberi na boigo asense muyende erikweneki una bari batabwati okubwa bwokoigwa na barabwo nkomanyigwa bare asenchira erengi keranu eriaye Salome Kerubo twakoganiri botokobia